Well, it's definitely leading up to the 45 mile an hour wind. I mean, it's just blowing. It's getting worse as time goes on. And this is crazy. That guy's crazy to be out in this weather. Just wanted to show you that it's getting worse. I got a guy here that in a Cadillac, and he's stuck. I think he's flooring it, trying to get out of the snow. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but he's really trying to go forward, front wheel drive, and there he goes again. He's flooring it. Like it's making it to the pump. Not that it'll do much good. It's just a snowy there. My God, look at this blizzard. You can barely even see him now. It is whipping so hard. Sometimes it just, now you can see him a lot better. It is one wicked storm. Oh God, he's getting out of his car. And leaving his door open. What an idiot. He's cleaning his windshield with his door open. The snow is just flying into his car. Yeah, he's driving a Cadillac. My goodness. I guess it's all, I don't know what good it's going to do. It's going to get just as bad. Now he's getting back in. He went all the way back here just to clean his windows. And the guy next to him, he's getting gas. Man, what a time to get gas. Am I? Not like freezing out here. Anyway, that was interesting. Got a semi truck that came in. That Cadillac I was telling you about in front of him, he's stuck. He ain't going anywhere. This guy came in, pulled up behind him, not realizing he was stuck. Then he tried to back out, and he's stuck now. So he's not going anywhere. He's out there digging, trying to get his wheels free or whatever up front there, but he's not going nowhere. He's stuck. This is an interesting shot. I don't know if you can see it or not. Got a pickup truck there getting gas with the way the wind is blowing. Snow blowing around. About 8:30 Central or Eastern time, 7:30 Central here at night. And it's relentless. See all the grooves here. Oh, here comes the snow plow guy. Plowing away.